this video, I'm going to show you how to add an infinite zoom effect in Premiere Pro. To get started, I just added 7 clips to my timeline that we'll use for this effect. From the start of the first clip, hold Shift and press the right arrow key to move ahead 5 frames, then press W to trim the clip. Repeat this for the remaining clips, moving ahead 5 frames each time and pressing W to trim them back. Under Effects, search for Transform and add the effect to the first clip. Now go to Effect Controls and click the keyframe button next to Scale under Transform. Then set the scale value to 200. Move your timeline slider to the end of the clip and reset the scale value to 100. Uncheck Use Composition Shutter Angle and change the shutter angle to 320. Now simply right-click Transform and select Copy. Then highlight your remaining clips and press Ctrl+V to paste the effect.